Hi my beauties, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to create this Christmas makeup look, for which I am going to create a graphic eyeliner using a liquid lipstick. So without any further delay, let's start the video. As usual, I am starting with prepping my skin, for which I am using a moisturizer from Cosmos by Babe Goof. Apply it to your face and massage gently for a while. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification to receive future updates from me. Next, I'm using an eye massage cream from Lotus Organics. It has a really nice roller which helps to remove puffiness and dark circles. So I'm massaging it under my eyes for a while. Next, I'm using SPF 60 sunscreen from VLCC. This is a must-do step whenever you are doing your makeup for daytime. The concealer that I am using is full coverage concealer from Bobbi Brown in shade Warm Honey, and I am applying it to my lids as a base. For blending the concealer, I am using my finger because it is a lot easier and quicker for me. If you want, you can use any beauty blender or brush that you have. Now to set the concealer on place, I am using a loose powder from Color Bar. Now taking a warm brown shade from the palette and applying it to my crease with the help of a fluffy blending brush. To my outer V, I am applying a dark brown shade and I am trying to create a smoky effect. Keep adding the color and keep blending until you get the desired result. Now adding a little bit more warm brown shade and mixing everything all together using the same blending brush. Now taking a golden shade from the palette Lakme 9 to 5 in shade Desert Rose and applying it to half of my lids using the applicator which is provided in this palette, but eventually I ended up using my finger. Now using the same brush I am blending everything all together once again. The liquid lipstick that I'm using is from Color Bar. You can use any that you have. With an angled brush, and I'm trying to create a wing eyeliner using the lipstick. Using small strokes are advisable for such looks. I suggest to use small amount of the lipstick at a time to get more neat and precise line. Doing the same to my other eye as well. Now curling my eyelashes with eyelash curler from Vega, then applying a coat of mascara. The mascara that I am using is Zoom and Whoosh mascara from Color Bar. Now using the same concealer to my under eyes and I'm blending it using my finger. The foundation that I'm using is full coverage foundation from Bobbi Brown in shade Warm Natural, and I'm using a wet damp beauty sponge to apply and blend the foundation. While applying the foundation, don't forget to apply it to your neck area so that your face and neck look as one piece. Next, I'm using the same concealer to the areas wherever I have uneven skin tone or I want to highlight. To blend the concealer, I am using Same Beauty sponge. To set the concealer on place, I am instantly applying the loose powder, and the loose powder that I am using is from Color Bar. For contouring my face, I am using a cream contour from Stay Quirky in shade dark brown. For my nose, I am using my finger to blend it because it's a lot easier for me to do. For rest of the place, I am using an angled contour brush. Blush that I am using is from Color Bar in shade Flushed Satin, and I am applying it to my cheekbones. Now I am using pressed powder from Color Bar in shade Nude Beige to mattify the look. The highlighter that I am using is Metallic Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline, and I am applying it to my high points. To outline and contour my lips, I am using a lip liner from Color Essence. And the lipstick that I am using is Velvety Matte lipstick from Dior. It's in shape 888. To complete the eye look, I am using a green shade from the palette and I am applying it to my lower lash line. Do follow me on Instagram and other socials. My social links you'll get in the description box itself. And then applying a nude pencil to my waterline that helps to open up the eyes instantly. Now I'm finishing up with a coat of mascara to my lower lash line. The makeup fixer that I am using is from Swiss Beauty. All the products that I have used in this video will be mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check it. I always prefer to set makeup fixer using beauty sponge. Now I'm using false magnetic eyelashes. This is completely optional step. If you want, you can skip this. For my hairstyle, I have crimped my hair off the camera. Now combing my hair using a neem tooth comb from Vega. So this is the final look that I have created so far for this Christmas. Share your thoughts about this look with me in the comment section. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you with a brand new one. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.